Hey YouTube, Joe and Easy from Alan Ed's Auto Sound in Marina del Rey. If you have a halogen housing and bulb in your new Jeep Wrangler JL, this is how you can go ahead and upgrade to an LED. Go ahead, twist off to the left, which is counterclockwise, to take the cover off. Go ahead, twist also to the left to pull out the bulb. The connector is locked into place, so if you see this little lighter gray tab, slide that down. That unlocks it, and then push down to disconnect it. Go ahead, put this away. I always recommend keeping your stock bulbs as a backup. Here we have our JRD LED headlights, which are a CAN bus, so they won't trigger any errors on your dash. It is a 4-sided LED, not a 3-sided like many other ones. It's a direct replacement. All you got to do is kind of line it up on the little tabs. Actually, you can even pull out, just use the adapter at first to install it. There you go. Once it's in, give it a clockwise twist. Go ahead and insert your LED bulb. Also give it a locking clockwise twist. It's a direct H13 connection on the inside of the housing. Sometimes it'll push out the lock, but it'll still grab into place. This is where you got to be a little bit creative and make sure you tuck all the electronics back into the housing. So make sure the little controller box and resistor pack gets put away neatly. Go ahead, just push it in, put the cover back on, and give it a twist to the right or clockwise. That's it. You now installed your LED bulb into your JL housing. I'll now come back to the car. I will plug it back in. Just kind of set it there for a second, give it a quick test run. There you have it. You now have LED bulbs on both sides. If you'd like to order a set from us, we do free shipping. They're 99 bucks a set. Call us at 310-827-8121.